That was super anticlimactic. I thought. What was it? I don't know. I don't know why.
Something?
I don't know. He asked me to record, and I don't know. All right. We have a 16-minute drive to a place. If anyone watches TJ Hunt, they will know exactly where it is when we get there. And this place is kind of like gray and stuff, so it should go good with the weather we have today. But if it doesn't, it'll just be fun to go scout out the spot for another time. But I will see you guys when we get there. Alright, we made it. Heading to the top now. So if you guys watch TJ's videos at all, you'll know exactly where this is. Got in a sick Charger. I'm not too familiar with American cars, but it sounds really fucking good. But I got the shots. It was okay outside. I mean, kind of cloudy, but whatever. You already know, in the parking garage. Gotta make all the noise. Driving down the road a little bit, I found like this really tucked away. Let's see for the focus, I get the exposure right. Trying to get in here was a challenge, but we got in here. The car looks so good in here. Even though it is day, it'd probably look insane at night. But it might be a little sketchy at night, but god damn. So I said, the last exhaust video, I'd give a little more in depth. So I went to this place in Oceanside called Warner's Mufflers, and they did a full 3-inch cap pack. Should be able to see it down there. With those meaty exposure, meaty tips. And it sounds so much better. Just lets the exhaust overall flow a lot more. It also just feels better as a whole car. Feels, and it might just be like me putting in my own head, but I think it's a little faster. I don't know. Another thing also, just cruising on the freeway, there's no drone. There's no drone anymore. And then the last exhaust, because what happened, there was a lot of back pressure, because they fucked the Y pipe somehow, and it would just build back pressure whenever you're giving it gas. So when I was on the freeway and I was just keeping it at 75, it would just drone all the time. And it kind of made it unenjoyable. So now this is just perfect. Overall though, I'm happy with it. For $500, it's really like, the only better quality you're gonna get is if you go with like a full professional performance one, and those are like $1,000. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Gave a few revs. Sounds so good. I was driving home wondering why the car was being a little sluggish, worried like, oh shit, something wrong, like is the clutch slipping? Like something was wrong, the turbo just wasn't kicking in normally. And then I look, right there, and somehow I pushed that button. Motherfucker had me worried. And usually I'm just driving around in this, and everything's fine. Oh well, at least it wasn't anything bad. Yes sir, Andre. What did you think of the car coming in when I was revving it? What did you think when I was revving it? Did it sound any better?
It sounded a little less bitchy, but it's okay.
Fuck you. Open it, you.
So angry.
He's so bummed.
You guys have matching things?
Hey, let's go. Andre, we're matching.
I just spit in my mask.
I'm so glad I was recording that. Hold on.
So bad. You doofus.
Open the door! Before I break your handle.
I thought you were gonna say break your hand.
Oh!
Okay,
Fuck
boys,
you,
my
fuck
man.
you, fuck you,
Okay,
fuck you.
we gotta do
No,
this.
no,
real
no, no,
quick.
no, no,
Okay.
no, no, no.
Andy sat here and he's trying to flame my ass for getting the skinny straw. As you can tell, I don't have any boba in mine, so that would be stupid to have a big ass straw.
Oh, what if you just...
Little does he know, he doesn't have boba in it!
Nah, she's really gonna do it. I park in the middle of a row with no cars. No, there's another one. Andre, what is that, sir? Remember I was saying I parked away from people? And I had a feeling the girl right here literally opened her door and she put it on my car. I think we're good. I think we're safe. There he is. There he is.
Soda stream was a lot of work.
Audrey,
You just put water and you go.
stop. Audrey, you're eating a slice of cheese.
Cheese.
Put it down. Put it down.
You hit that.
You hit it. You really. Oh!
That just as
Ooh!
how you manage to be conscious, how you manage to grow.